po ng pagtugis kay former Congressman Saldico, wala po ba tayong group effort
Pagtugis.
aresto sa kanya dahil meron naman pong warrant of
Pagtugis.
arrest?
Ang tugis
Wala po
in
ba
English is
tayong-
hunting ba yun? Ang tugis po. Hunting yan, no? Sige.
Opo. Wala po ba tayong group effort para mas mapabilis yung pagdakip po sa kanya?
Talagang ginamit mo yung group effort, ha? Meron naman. It is a whole of government approach to get Zaldico. The DFA, the DALG, the Ombudsman, the DOJ are all working together in order to get a satisfying outcome into the repatriation of Zaldico back to the Philippines. To what those measures are, I cannot speak of yet. But I think when it comes to repatriation, DFA should be the lead. Sila dapat na magsabi kung anong gagawin.
So wala pa po yung pag-cancel nung kanyang passport.
Meron na. Pagkaalam ko, na-cancel na yung passport niya. Pagkaalam ko lang, ha? But you can check again. Pero, again, we believe he's holder of 2 passports, eh. Not only a visa, but 2 passports. So, doon yung may complication tayo ng konti.